guys, look. I don't know what happened, but the leaves turn yellow and all these ones. And it's nowhere yet. Look at this. Hey friends, good morning. It's 8 a.m. in UK and I got up early. It's a Saturday morning and I got up early just because I haven't watered my plant for the whole week. Because I work Monday to Friday and was just so busy this week that I couldn't do a lot to the garden, and it was also very hot. So this past week I went into the office 2 times, and I also did 2 home visits. So as soon as I woke up in the morning, it's just, and then for the other days, I did a lot of meetings back to back, and it was a lot of pressure this week to keep up with the garden. And the sun was very hot this week as well. So when I checked the garden in the evening, because it passed like 7 8 a.m. 9, no sorry 7 8 9 10 p.m. And what I've learned is that do not water your plants after 6 p.m. because just like how humans want to go to sleep, and when the sun goes down, it's not good to water the plants either, because the plants also calming down and getting ready to sleep. So watering the plants at night is not good. You just throwing water on the plants and disrupting their sleep. So I don't want like to water my plants in the night or in the evening because I don't want to rob them of their sleep. So I decided that I'm going to water them Saturday morning, which is today. So, guys, I work Monday to Friday, and I would love to have a lie-in this morning, but I jumped up out of my bed and I said, you know what, let me water the plants before the sun came out hot. Now I'm talking, it's very, very hot right now, but I've managed to water the plants this morning, and I'm happy that I did, because as you watch this video, you will notice that the sun has destroyed a lot of the plants, the flowers, and the corns drying up, the tomatoes withered away, and I don't know what's going on, guys. And also, in terms of creating content, I do work 9 to 5 and I really, really enjoy creating content. But I realize that YouTube, I'm flop on YouTube. I'm telling you the truth, I'm flop here because subscribers are not really watching and interacting, no one commenting, and I just felt like I'm gonna quit YouTube. And I said to Jay last night, because even Jay is not really active on the channel, because he too think that I'm putting in a lot and he don't see any progress. So he's sort of not really coming on board much because he doesn't really see the point of continuing creating. But for me, I really enjoy creating. I've been creating for many, many years because I've been living in this place for over 20 years, guys. I've been doing this for a very long time. This is me. This is not fake. I'm not doing it because of content. It's something that I've always been doing and love doing. So I decided to create this channel and sort of show my lifestyle. And I want it to be authentic, and I don't want to have to change myself because of creating. So maybe people doesn't really like this sort of lifestyle, but this is my lifestyle. So I decided that I was gonna quit YouTube, and I decided that, oh my God, you know what? I'm not gonna do YouTube because YouTube not algorithm doesn't really like my content. no one communicating with me, no one commenting, no one liking, no one sharing. Really want to say thanks to those of you who really like the content and comment. And I also noticed that I've got silent viewers as well. Thank you so much for viewing the channel. But I do sort of would love for people to communicate and also to maybe tell me, maybe if they would love to see something, or tell me what they think of the content I'm creating. And really appreciate that, but it's not really coming as how I expected it to come. These are original contents of mine, and I don't want to change them and do differently, because that would mean that I'm going to go out of my remit to create, and I don't want that, because I want to create lifestyle content, and this is really my lifestyle. Anyway, guys, so as I was about to quit YouTube, I got a lovely comment, and if you watch the video to the end, you will see I put the comment inside of the video at the end, and I just want to say thanks to that commenter, that individual who comment, and it made me sort of think to myself, you know what, somebody will like it. Maybe it's not for everyone, but someone will. So while I was saying I'm quitting YouTube, I got that comment, and it sort of motivated me to continue. So I still will continue. I won't quit YouTube, and I will sort of believe in my lifestyle content, believe in myself, and continue YouTube, and just hope for the best. I just want to say to any YouTuber that started their channel and feeling the same way that I do, don't give up, because even when we create content and we are not getting any views, it doesn't mean that our content are not great content. It doesn't mean that our content are not good enough, and it doesn't mean that our lifestyle not great, because at the end of the day, there are lifestyles that looks great, but is it really great? What length do you have to go to keep up to that lifestyle? So everyone is different, and there will be individuals out there that will also like what you're putting out. So keep going, just like myself. I'm giving myself this advice as well, to just keep going and growing day by day, and then maybe one day the channel will get to someone, because somebody is watching, and you never know who is watching. So anyway, guys, I just want to take this opportunity to thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're here watching this video, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend about E&J Lifestyle Farm. I am E, your host for E&J Lifestyle Farm. We do the work, only watch the video. Thanks for watching, guys, and keep watching to the end, because guess what? This plant needs water, guys. I really need water, and I got an up of my bed this morning, so if that doesn't count for something, I think it counts for everything. So continue watching the video to the end, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm E, your host, and I'll be in the video. I'll be looking at the comment section to see what you guys think about plants. Guys, I don't know what's going on, but yeah, the sun in London this week is absolutely, it's very hot, and it actually burnt. The things are just burnt out, but let's keep going.
It's rosemary and lemon smell. Aroma. I'm gonna cut them soon. Harvest some rosemary. See a bee? So that is it for the flowers. I'm gonna be doing the farm now. We have corn, pumpkin, mint, tomato, and corn. The sun messed them up. Look at that. So I need to put some water on. So I'm gonna do that now. Guys, look at this bee. Look at the bee. Oh my God, you see that? Tiny little one. Mm. There's something that I missed the sun. The sun came out hard the other day. And there's it thing. You see kind of changing color. The little farm is missing. Look at that. So, put some inside of here now. Suck up this up in there. Suck it up. Oh, I get so much Sunday today. The sun is hungry. Put the water in. Look at that. Suck it out already, guys. That is it. So that is it. That is it. I hope they will continue to grow. Things mush up now. I don't know what's happening with the sun in England. Because it definitely gives good justice to these things. I need to look at Junior left the tea that I gave him last night, guys. He left it outside. Wow. Yes, look. I don't know what happened, but the leaves turn yellow and all these ones. So, and it's nowhere yet. Look at this. Yeah. The tomato look wizard like they're dying. The pumpkin's color don't look green that much, but the mint doesn't look that bad, but there's some little black stuff on it. Look at this tree. Look what the sun did to this. Something dug out there, so the farm is in a mess. The pumpkin didn't look like they stopped grow. Look here, now grow so fast, and then leaves changing. So I'm gonna have to go to get some new soil for it, to get some feeding. And that's that one. Oh, I didn't water this. I'm gonna get some water for that. And that didn't get any water. The man, look at Junior come put this something on the flowers, you know. That's a skirt, that's a. You don't understand it. Everything you do, look here. We're going to look down here, some people. When we talk with God Almighty truth, I fix up down here, and he came and he put this up them and said, "I'll move them," and he moved them in the over a month now. And he came and put this on top of the flowers and mash up the flowers. Anyway, I'll leave it to him. The off-grid house is on pause. Yeah, because look what the man do. It's terrible. Anyway, let's get this. So that is it. Now take up this. Now take it up. Yeah, last night I made him this and he sat in the chair here, sir, and he'll leave it right on the ground all night. So that is it, guys. The sun out already, and that is the morning. Saturday morning, guys. Let me show you the beautiful. Oh my God, I haven't seen any birds today. Not any bird. Not any bird at all. And fruits are going to change color. Look at all my clothes spinning on the line. You see the clothes spinning? Look at your eyes. I need to water this. It's nice, isn't it? Yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna do my